This is Mike Ludes at Capital Eurocars in Tallahassee. I'm going to show you an important thing. If you ever have the misfortune of selling your Porsche 911 or other similar vehicles, this is PCM 4.1, I believe, and it's obviously important to clear out your HomeLink garage door openers by pressing and holding 1 and 3 for about 20 seconds. You'll see the light change from a steady to a flashing. After that, you want to delete your phones from your Bluetooth connections, and lastly, you want to make sure that you delete your previous and stored destinations and navigation. So to get there, you're going to press Nav, Fave, and your first section will be Recents. Your next will be your Favorites. So when you're on Recents, you press Option and Delete Recent Destinations. Yes, delete. Now it looks like you're all done. You can also check and make sure that home and work have been deleted. You look like you're all done and okay, sell it to a stranger, they won't know where you are. But if you go in here and scroll your wheel, you'll get here, the last destination. So I don't know of a way to delete that, but I do know what you can do is just make up some other address. So go back to Nav, put in some, random destination. Let's just say Tallahassee City Center.
The route is being calculated.
And now you can see the last destination shown is Tallahassee. So that got rid of my previous address that I might not want the next owner to know about.
Please drive guidance to the route shown.
So now my previous destination is right there. Anyways, just a little tip to make sure that your privacy stays yours. Don't forget to delete your phone. Again, by going there, you just press Phone, press Option, Set Phone, Bluetooth devices, and then you would manually delete them one at a time. That's how you're going to delete your phone. Your phone book should delete with that device as it's being deleted. There you go. Hope it helps. Protect your privacy. It's Mike, Capital Eurocars. Thanks.